Got my Glock 19 here, and I've got a lot of upgrades to it. And one of the last upgrades I'm going to do here, it's going to be installing some Trijicon night sights. The sights come with it are alright, but I think that the night sights are just, again, a smart thing to have. They help out a little bit. And I like Trijicons are tough, and got a real well-known name, and a lot of people like them. So I've seen them in person on my friend's Glock. They look nice. I think the Mepra lights probably would have been my second choice, but I got these on sale and they were pretty good. So just the 3 green dots. I didn't get the amber or the yellow. I just went with the 3 green. They seem to stand out a little bit better, and they got the better warranty on them too. So so I got the sights here, and I bought a sight tool from Glockmeister.com. It came with a front sight removal tool as well, and they have a package where you can get the night sights and the both sight tools for, well, it depends on the night sights. If you get Trijicons, I think they're the more expensive, but you can get it either with just the sight tools and thing Loctite comes with it, or you can get it as a package like you see here. Again, I got them separately. I got these on I think Amazon for like, I think I saved about 15-16 bucks, something like that. So, but Glockmeister is a good company. All the parts that I have upgraded on here are from Glockmeister. Today we're gonna take off these sights and put on the Trijicons. So we'll safety check it. Chamber. Just take out the guide spring, barrel, and we can go ahead and put this in the rear sight tool. And we'll start with the rear sight first. Alright, so we're going to start pushing out the stock sight. Basically, you're going to push this all the way over. You're going to force the sight out to the right hand side. Coming out pretty easy. Real easy. So then you want to take that left side back, and you're going to insert the night sight, or the upgraded sight, from the right hand side and force it over with the right press, and then you're going to have to center it, kind of fine tune it back and forth. So this is supposed to compress slightly. We'll see what slightly means. That looks on the front sight. And front side I forgot to video taken off, but there was a screw, like you see here, that this little screwdriver took off. Dab of red Loctite on there. You got your front sight. So you can kind of hold it on there with the thumb. And it's going to be kind of awkward. Just going to slide into that notch. Just hopefully get it started. So it's just sitting in there, it's still loose. I'm going to try to line these up. Shouldn't be too hard. Actually, damn, that looks pretty good. That looks good right there. So clamp my thumb on that to help keep it from moving. Damn, I already felt it move. Son of a bitch. Okay. This thing wants to move, so that screw, just kind of screwdriver on that hex head. Give it a little twist. Nice asshole. What an asshole. Damn. I definitely need to get some fucking felt or some kind of fabric down here. Keep doing that shit, I'm gonna end up with scratched guns. That looks good right there. I'm gonna give it another little torque, little twist. That should be it. This is lined up nice. See if I can give you a halfway even decent view here. So I'm excited. These should be a big improvement, obviously, over having no night sights. So there you go, it's all finished. I got the Trijicons installed. It was my first time doing any kind of night sight installation on anything, so I thought it went pretty smooth. Helps having the right tools. And that reminds me, I want to give Pete from the Armory channel a shout out, because he, in a couple of his videos, he's mentioned Glockmeister, shown the parts that he's upgraded on his Glocks, and it really, they are a good company. They ship quick, and I've been happy with all the parts I've gotten from them. So thanks again, Pete. Appreciate guys like you taking the time to put this kind of information up for us newer guys to you know, makes our road a little bit easier to travel. So thanks a lot, appreciate it. Alright guys.